Hello and welcome all to Lock Unlock Series 2020. There is a saying that language is the infinite use of finite means. When today English has become so essential and important language, it also becomes important for kids to learn at a very early age and to use it from the day probably they start speaking ma, pa, amma, appa. The expectation has become so high that every kid should learn and speak English. This is Priyanka, and today I have a very pretty lady who hails from Pink City of India, Jaipur. She is a MBA graduate, settled currently in Ahmedabad, married, and has two lovely kids, and is founder of Nurturing Childhood Academy. So let us all welcome today on this episode, Dashneet.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Hello,
Thank you
welcome
so much
Dashneet.
for having. Thank you
My,
so much for having me here on Lock Unlock Series 2020.
my pleasure, Dashneet. Dashneet, so before we start knowing more about Nurturing Childhood Academy, could you let us know a bit about your own self?
Sure. Thank you so much, Priyanka. Yes, as you have said that, yes, I do originally hail from the Pink City of Jaipur, but now it's been 12 years that I'm in Ahmedabad.
Right.
I've finished my schooling and graduation from Jaipur only.
Okay.
And then I came here for my MBA in finance.
Right.
I finished that, and after that, love happened to me, and I got married.
Okay.
Then I was thoroughly enjoying my job of a full-time homemaker.
Right.
After that, I was blessed with two lovely kids, and I got promoted to a mom.
Okay.
I enjoyed that journey as well, and I'm still. But then after that, I discovered my passion of teaching.
Right.
So besides teaching, I love cooking, I love singing, and I love having fun with my family and friends.
Wow, that's nice.
Besides that, I believe in living every moment of life.
That's great. That's very important nowadays, at least, and always, in fact. So, what is
Yes.
this Nurturing Childhood Academy?
Nurturing Childhood Academy is not only a place, but it's a concept. It's a concept to nurture early academic years of a child, just like we nurture a plant.
Correct.
In its early stages of life, so
Right.
that it becomes a big tree with strong roots. So that's how I nurture a child's academic years, early academic years, with a core focus on English language. So we teach them spoken English, reading and writing English.
Okay.
With the help of Jolly English, Jolly Grammar and Jolly Phonics.
Okay. So then why did you decided only to pick up these methodology or concept of teaching?
Okay, this happened because of my elder one, my elder child. When he was in senior KG, he was 5 years old.
Right.
And then I was invited to his school.
Yeah.
I was invited because they wanted to show me how the child is reading.
Correct.
And on that day, he picked up a new book.
Okay.
The teacher has prepared something else for him, but he picked up a new book of his choice, and he was stubborn that I wanted to read only this book.
Okay.
And I was so amazed the way he read the book. He read all the big words, which when I and you were of his age, we couldn't read that.
Correct.
So I was thrilled and amazed and shocked and happy to see him reading that way. So I inquired about the course and I got to know about Jolly Phonics.
Okay.
It was such an interesting course. I attended 1-2 workshops in the school itself, and then I decided to learn it.
Right.
I got certification, I learned it, and then I wanted to pass this happiness to other parents as well. I wanted to pass it on to the society, and I wanted that people should know about this amazing course. So then I started my Nurturing Childhood Academy.
Okay. So what method of teaching do you use so that kids can learn fast English?
Okay.
Specifically.
So in Jolly Phonics, we use synthetic form of phonics. There are basically
Form of
4
phonics.
forms of phonics,
Okay.
which are embedded, analogy, analytic, and synthetic.
Okay.
Synthetic phonics is the most used, it's the most structured, most organized form of phonics.
Right.
It is just like if I give you a code and you can solve the puzzle yourself.
Hmm.
Like for children of very early age, very young children,
Hmm.
the words are just like puzzles. They couldn't read themselves. They
Correct.
always need somebody to tell what it is.
Exactly.
But what if I give them a code? I
Hmm.
give them the sounds. They just
Okay.
mix the sounds and read the words. It gives
Okay.
them immense pleasure and confidence to read themselves. It is
Okay.
something new and they are doing it themselves without any help.
Hmm.
This is what happens in synthetic form of phonics. And
Okay.
Jolly Grammar is again, it is a fun-filled method of learning grammar.
Okay.
It makes the child love the language.
Right. Right.
And then Jolly English. Jolly English is a spoken English course for those children who have little or very less knowledge of English.
Hmm.
It is just like a speech and drama course with the help of chants, games, songs, actions. We
Okay.
learn English. We
We
give them
never.
vocabulary.
Okay. We never learned that way. In fact, none of the subjects, none of the language.
That is why this course is really amazing.
Okay. Right. 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 So, as far as my knowledge goes, there are not many schools or institutes in Gujarat who is into this particular concept of teaching English.
There are many schools who are following Jolly Phonics nowadays because there are more than 100 plus countries who have Jolly Phonics as a government policy,
Okay.
Jolly Learning as a government policy.
Okay.
And now in India also, since 1.5 years back, it is a government policy. But then as far as Jolly English is concerned, there is nobody in Ahmedabad, and I'm really proud to announce that I'm the only one in Ahmedabad who does Jolly English.
Oh,
But yes,
wow.
for Jolly Phonics, there are so many teachers. Some of them are certified. Some of them are just doing it out of their passion and love for the language and for the course. But
Hmm.
still, they are doing really good. They are good in their work.
Right, right, right.
So
Okay.
yes, there are Jolly Phonics teachers, but for Jolly English, there is no one in Ahmedabad.
Okay, okay. That's great. And where have you learned this? Are there any institutes in Ahmedabad or for that matter in Gujarat or how?
I have done it from a professional trainer in Mumbai. I've been certified in all the 3 courses
Hmm.
from Mumbai itself. She's a very renowned trainer. She's been training teachers since 20 years now.
Hmm.
So I have done it from there.
Okay. Dashi, could you tell us more about Jolly English and Jolly Grammar? Because phonics and all, most of us we have heard about.
Okay. So actually all over the world, the educators follow one thing, which is LSRW. For any language, Priyanka, when you
Right.
were born, like when you were a kid,
Hmm.
nobody taught you what is Hindi, how to speak Hindi, how to read Hindi
Correct.
first. You automatically started speaking.
Yes,
Could you
yes.
tell me how?
Huh.
You first listened to
Listen.
the words
Yeah, we
and then
heard.
you copied them, you started speaking, then you read and then you write.
Hmm.
This
Correct.
is how it works for every
Right.
language. So
Right.
why not English?
Hmm.
This
Correct.
English is just another language. So
Right.
we have to go in that way only. We
Hmm.
have to first listen to it, then speak, then read, and then write.
Correct.
Okay, so this is what Jolly English works on. There are so many kids who were coming to me who were reading really nice with the help of phonics, but they didn't know what the word is or what the sentence meant, right?
Yeah,
So
right.
they will feel disinterested after a certain point of time because they don't know what they're reading.
Hmm.
For example, if I teach you Telugu, you start reading Telugu, but you don't know what is the meaning. You will not
Exactly.
like it. You will not understand the story only.
Even
So
English
that
and
is
Hindi,
why
many
it
a
is
times we read what we don't like because we don't understand.
exactly. So that is how, and that is why Jolly English is born actually.
Okay.
The teachers like me
Hmm.
who were facing this problem because I was really feeling very bad for my kids because they were not understanding.
Right.
And they didn't have that environment.
Okay.
They didn't have that environment at home of English. They were from a different background, either a Gujarati or a Punjabi background. So they were not speaking English. How would they know? So
Okay.
this is a course for those children wherein they will not feel that we are educating them or they are learning something, but still they are learning a lot.
Okay.
We are giving them vocabulary with the help of, it is just like a speech and drama course for very, very young kids.
So again, how is this different from a normal English speaking or teaching academy? How do you teach?
Because as the name suggests, Jolly.
Hmm.
Jolly learning is basically constructed for children. It is
Okay.
designed in that way that it helps only the children
Okay.
to speak. It gives those words. It is designed in that way which the children love. The stories are designed in that way. There are three characters. There are three characters in this who are, one is Snake, one is Inky Mouse, and one is Bee.
Okay.
So the children, even we use those puppets. And these characters, the songs, the stories, the chants, the games are same all over the world.
Okay.
And these characters are so much loved by the children that, you know, they associate their voices
Okay.
with
Can you
the
give some
songs.
example to relate what you are
Yeah,
saying?
sure. Yeah, sure. There is a story in which the Inky is trying to snatch an apple.
Okay.
Okay. So when she falls down and she couldn't do it, she will not, I'm sorry, I'm using this word, but she will not use, oh shit. She will use, oh no.
Okay.
Oh dear. So these are the words. Repeatedly, when the children are using these words, they will know which word to use where.
Right.
हमें भी किसी ने ऐसे नहीं सिखाया था बैठ के कि बेटा आपको यहाँ पे ये वर्ड यूज करना है, हमें सुन के समझ में आया.
सुन के समझ में आया.
So this is the way we teach. They will enjoy learning. They will not feel anything that they are learning something. For example, in the first level of Jolly English, in the first chapter, we teach how to introduce yourself. So first, Bee will introduce herself. She will say, "Hi, I am Bee."
Okay.
Snake will say, "Hi, I am Snake." Then the child will say, "Hi, I am this," or "I am that."
Right, right, right.
So they will first listen. It's a new language for them. They don't know anything about the language, but they can copy. And they copy really fast.
True, of course. At
So
this age, they copy very fast. So what is the age group of kids you teach?
For Jolly Phonics, we start with 3 years. Then for grammar, yes, it starts with 5, 6 years. But for Jolly English, we start as soon as the kids start speaking.
Okay.
Or the kid starts communicating.
Okay, okay. So then how do they learn? Because they're very small, they're very, they hardly understand anything. And since you are
As I said, how did you learn a language?
Maybe, I heard my parents speaking, my grandparents.
Yes, that is how it is. They hear what we are doing. They are very smart.
Right.
They hear, they listen to the language, and then they understand which words are there, how to copy them, how to use them. For example, in phonics, if I say, if the kid starts making the words and then the first word, maybe it is sat, and he doesn't know what is sat, then, so in Jolly English, we teach these small words to the kids and tell their meaning. Not exactly, we don't translate it, but then they get to know automatically. As I said, with the help of story, with the help of drama. So they get to know automatically. There are a lot of chapters like seasons, flowers, colors. So they get to know all this automatically. And when they come to phonics, they can correlate those words.
So it is
when
a
they
very
blend the word.
Conceptual way of teaching.
Yes, yes. It's a very structured, very organized, very fun-filled way of learning.
Okay, okay. So, but then why, again, my question is, why did you focus only on teaching this age group? You would have kept open for, elders also and just earn money and earn fame.
Okay. So basically, first thing is, as I said, that I wanted to pass on this happiness to the parents.
Okay.
Another thing is, I didn't come across any other such kind of a method, such kind of a program, which is so well organized, so fun filled, which is for adults.
Okay.
Yes, eventually, if I got to know something like this, I would definitely like to do it. Another thing is that it's really easy to mold the kids.
Yeah, correct.
They
That's
have
true.
not learned anything. They are new to the world. You can put in anything and everything, whatever you want. That is why we have to be really cautious.
Right.
So it's really easy. Plus, they enjoy what you're doing with them. It is that kind of a method. That is why I focus on this.
So as you said, that all the sensory parts are being used. I mean, the kid basically picks up any of the sensory organ, and then accordingly,
Or maybe all of them. Yeah.
maybe all of them also. So how? I mean,
it is just that I'll give you an example, right? Suppose I'm teaching you a sound called the letter C, which sounds like
okay.
okay. So I will teach you a story regarding that, in which there are Spanish dancers and they are clicking their castanets.
Okay.
Okay. And then I will sing a song called We Are Clicking Castanets. We are clicking castanets.
Okay.
We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets. Like that. So the kids will remember this, the story, the song, the action. So every time I'll show him C, which is K, they will say, ma'am, it's K.
Yeah, even I
If not,
this immediately.
If not the sound, they will remember the action. And slowly
right.
and gradually, they will remember it. Plus, they can associate the sound with castanets. Castanet starts with K.
Okay.
So that's the way it is.
So what initiatives did you took during this lockdown to be in touch with your, existing students? Because abhi to bacche aate nahi honge. So what?
See, this lockdown has taught all of us something new.
Of course,
and made us stronger. Yes, kids do come to me. In fact, online classes are doing really well. One benefit which I've got from the online classes is that the parents now sit with the kids. So they also feel really interested in knowing this program, because the way they watch their kids learning, they are also simply, interested and inclined towards the program. So that has increased the word of mouth, definitely. And yes, it has worked wonders for me.
So you have started online teaching?
Yes, I did. So I did not want my kids to miss me. Sorry?
Did you got more students while doing this online?
Of course. I did. As I told you, yes, with the word of mouth, I have got a lot of students. Even now, I'm getting inquiries.
So, I mean, Dashni, since you are used to teaching this concept, one-on-one, right? So, did you learn to do online coaching during this lockdown phase? How to teach online?
No, not at all. Not at all. Yes, but initially I was skeptical that how did it go? How will I do my activities? How will I give that personal touch, that human touch?
Yeah, correct.
But then what I felt was the kids are there in their comfortable and safe environment, yet they are learning.
Yes.
We do role plays, every day you get to learn a lot. Every day you learn a new thing. Every day you get a new idea watching them. And yes, we did role plays, we did reward systems, and we did dancing as well online.
Everything
and
online.
we are really enjoying. Yes, that too online.
Wow.
We celebrated birthdays online with my kids. So yes, we are learning, how to adapt.
Good. I think this is a complete package where, the kids not only learn, they enjoy. And as you said, jolly English. So, you know, they jolly well dance, sing,
Yes,
learn.
yes.
So, where you been able to manage ghar, online classes, you know, many new things. You must be coming out of all these things. Were you
See,
able to manage?
actually, whether I was working or I was not working, I always everybody needs a family support. It doesn't matter if he or she works or doesn't work. So
True.
yes, my family was there before also when I was not working. They are there with me right now. They will be there with me, I know.
This is something we all the viewers should know, that in spite or in the fact that any lady working or not working, the family should support her in whatever she does. So did this pandemic holded you back to not to go ahead with your academy कि नहीं भाई अब तो ये लॉकडाउन हो गया है, अब बच्चे नहीं आएंगे, मेरी एकेडमी शायद बंद हो जाएगी? Did you ever thought that?
No, 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 not at all. Never. I have never had this thought.
Wow, okay, that's great.
I have
I think
never had this thought.
that's maybe the connection of you with teaching, with you with the kids, probably didn't give you thought.
Yes, of course. If I would have stopped thinking about my academy, what about my kids who wanted to
Yeah,
come, who
correct.
wanted to see me?
True, true, true.
So,
So why do you think that parents should insist in teaching their kids jolly English or jolly grammar?
see, I feel if the parent really want their kid to learn English
Hmm,
as a language, and he or she wants to put the kid in a in an English medium school, so
correct.
why not do it in a fun-filled way?
Hmm,
Why not do it in a way in which the kid doesn't feel any pressure of learning
right.
and he enjoys that phase? Why not make that base so strong that he or she will never feel that English is, oh my god, I cannot speak or I cannot write, or oh my god, what is this?
Hmm,
So why not make it easy for them?
correct, correct, correct. So what are the benefits? Because whenever we learn something, there is, you know, we generally tend, okay, इससे मिलेगा क्या? Like you said, you know, it's easy to learn. What other benefits?
Okay, let me just ask you one thing. अगर किसी को हिंदी सीखनी है पूरे वर्ल्ड में, तो
Hmm,
कोई कैसे सीखेगा? जैसे हम लोग बोलते हैं, the way we Indians speak, right?
correct. हाँ,
तो अगर हमें इंग्लिश सीखनी है, तो we have to learn the way Britishers speak.
yeah.
So this
Hmm,
course has come from UK. It's a
okay,
UK born course.
right.
Okay,
Huh,
and this course is designed by two preschool teachers. Their principal was Christopher Jolly. This is
okay.
where the word jolly came from. Okay,
Okay. Hmm,
so this has been designed, the lots of research has been done on this course, and that is why it has been worldwide accepted.
right.
I'll just give you an example. The way you and me have learned English,
Hmm,
like A for apple, BAT, bat, CAT, cat, it
hmm,
was called whole word method.
hmm,
Whole word method में क्या होता है कि जो word आपने देखा है, you just know that word. जो
correct.
नहीं देखा वो नहीं पढ़ सकते.
Hmm,
But what happens in phonics is you teach the sounds to the
okay.
child,
Hmm,
and then he or she will blend the sounds to make the word.
okay.
So when you consider a whole word method child and a
Hmm,
phonics child, what is the difference is, suppose he or she is 5-year-old, both of them,
hmm, hmm,
and one has been taught through whole word, one has been taught through phonics. So
okay.
whole word wala jo bachcha hai, he can
Hmm,
only read 7,000 words at 5 or 6 years of age,
hmm,
or जो phonics वाला बच्चा है वो without any pressure
right.
he can read. He doesn't have to remember the words. He can read 30,000 words.
30,000 words.
Yes, this is the vast difference between both the methods.
Okay.
So this is the benefit. You are asking about the benefit. These are the benefits.
So
It will
how
enhance the
accent changes?
vocabulary.
Like I am a
Sorry?
South Indian. How the accent changes? Like I am a Tamilian or maybe a Punjabi. The way we speak English is, you know, far, far different.
Okay. See, the environment will obviously impact your accent. It is going to happen. But at least if you have learned it in a proper way, if you know that it is not turn, just like it's not tap and it is tap,
Okay.
so at least you know it. The accent is going to change because of the environment.
Correct.
But when you teach it, when you give that base to your child, wherein he will know what is correct pronunciation, that is automatically going to help him in future.
Correct, correct. True, true, true. So what piece of advice or suggestion do you want to give, to the parents and the kids to learn Jolly English?
To learn Jolly English. Jolly English is a spoken English course, right? Yes, what piece of advice I would definitely tell them that if you want your child to learn English, it's a personal choice. It's not forcefully, I'm telling. It's a personal choice. But if you really want him to learn, then start it with an early age.
Correct.
Give him that base. Because as I said, make it just another language. Like he or she uses the mother tongue, like Hindi or whatever the mother tongue is. So make it just another language. Make him that comfortable. He will not feel it, oh my God, it's a subject. Now I have to study.
True.
English is a language.
Correct.
Love it in that way.
Correct, correct, correct. So across India and global, so many viewers are watching this. So if, they all want to get in touch with you, learn more about Jolly English or Jolly Grammar. So on which social media platforms are you available?
I have my Facebook page by the name of Nurturing Childhood Academy.
Okay.
I have my Instagram page by NCA by Dashneet.
NCA by Dashneet.
So you can...
Right. So is there any website also?
It is in process.
It is in process. Okay. So I think where so many of us thought that learning English will only be possible for kids by going to any class or, probably not be receptive and open to online sessions, especially for conceptual studies or conceptual subjects like phonics or Jolly English or Jolly Grammar. Dashneet today shared with us that through Jolly English, through Jolly Grammar or phonics, and that too through online classes, this can be done with so ease and with so much of fun and so much of learning. Thanks a lot, Dashneet. It was our pleasure knowing so much about you, so much about this conceptual method of teaching English to kids, starting at a very, very tender age, when they hardly speak any words or start communicating well.
Thank you so much, Priyanka, for having me here on Unlock Series 2020. I'm glad that you've called me here.
Thank you. So we had one more guest who has again set an example that lockdown and such pandemic situation should not stop you from working towards your deeds and dreams. You should keep learning, and whatever you learn, you should teach. This is just a phase and will go soon. Thanks all for viewing and listening us. Thanks a lot from Priyanka and Dashneet. Till we meet next, stay connected and stay safe. Thank you so much.